If you're a property manager, you may have heard of Rent Manager, but is it the best software for your property management needs? Today we'll be deep diving into Rent Manager and offer an alternative. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a landlord and real estate investor here to help you out. Now, a quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but let's hop into this comparison. Rent Manager is a property management solution for many types of properties, including residential, commercial, manufactured housing, associations, student housing, RV park and campgrounds, and self-storage. When it comes to property management software, there are many factors to help you decide if it's the right solution for you. Some of the most important factors include features, pricing, customer service, and ease of use, which we will use to compare Rent Manager and DoorLoop. Starting with the features of these two softwares. Rent Manager's features include accounting, communication tools, tenant portal, marketing and leasing, reporting, and maintenance tracking. DoorLoop's features include a full accounting suite that can also sync with QuickBooks and run custom reports, automatic payments with many payment options including credit card, ACH, Cash App, and Chime, a tenant portal to centralize communications and send reminders, an owner portal to keep your owners in the loop with custom reports and printing checks, marketing and leasing tools that syndicates your listings to many sites including Zillow, HotPads, and Trulia. Then you can run checks on your applicants and e-sign the leases all on the same platform. Maintenance tracking, where you can manage tenants' requests, track work orders, and pay vendors all in one place so that you never miss a thing. A mobile app, and so much more. If DoorLoop's features sound like they will level up your property management business, then click the link in the description, or you can click the link up here. All of those features may sound great, but only if the pricing fits within your budget. Rent Manager's pricing starts with their basic plan at $1 per unit per month with a $200 monthly minimum. Their Plus plan is $1.50 per unit per month with a $300 monthly minimum, and their Premium plan goes up to $2.25 per unit per month with a $450 monthly minimum. DoorLoop starts at just $49 per month for up to 20 units. You can even get a free demo to explore the software yourself. So once again, just click that link down in the description for a free demo. Customer service can be a huge factor when choosing the perfect solution. The best way to get a real report on customer service is to read real reviews on sites such as Capterra. DoorLoop is a great solution if customer service is a priority for you. Users report having an incredibly easy time getting hold of support quickly. In addition, with DoorLoop, you can speak to real, live human beings to help you with your support request. Ease of use is essential in property management software. Now, determining a certain software's ease of use, once again, you'll want to read reviews on sites such as Capterra or go through a demo yourself. Now, this is another one of DoorLoop's strengths. In fact, it won an award for it. Users report DoorLoop's dashboard being incredibly easy to navigate, the software itself lightning fast, and the accounting tools and other features being structured in a way that makes it incredibly easy to find whatever you need. If you want to see for yourself how easy DoorLoop is to use, then get a free demo with the link below. So now that you know more details about Rent Manager and DoorLoop, it's time for you to make your decision. The best software is going to be the one that meets your business needs, and only you can decide that. But if you think DoorLoop is the right fit for you, then click the link below and you'll even get a special discount for watching this video. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!